Hello and welcome to my screencast for the course TDDD27 in Advanced Web Programming. My name is Liang Wong and I'm a student at Linköping's University. I'm studying in the Master Program Computer Systems, and today I'll be showing you around the website that I made for this course. Before I'm going through the content of this website, I will go through a little bit about what I have used to make this site. The web framework that I've used is called Django. It is a Python web framework, and on the client side I have used jQuery for all the for different effects and JavaScript related things. And as for the backend database, I'm using MySQL for that. The website that I have made is a mashup movie community web application. I have used TMDB's database to fetch information about the movies and the actors. My first choice from the beginning was actually to use IMDb, but that database was too restricted and didn't provide that much information, which TMDB was better at. Okay, so here's the front page. As you can see here, I have a image slider, and this is a jQuery plugin called the Nivel Slider, which I use as. Moreover, on the right side you have the list of popular movies, and further down you have the recent comments. Each movie the user can go in and make a comment, and those comments will appear here. And here it uses something called polling, which means that for now I have set it to 5 seconds. So for each 5 seconds it will send an IX request to check with the servers to see if there are some new comments that has been made. If there has been made some new comments, then it will appear here. It will refresh this list, and here I have the recent activity, which is a Facebook social plugin, and up here the user can search for movies and actors. This search bar, by the way, uses Django's caching framework, which saves the search result in X amount of minutes or seconds. I have set it to 10 seconds now. And the reason for me for using that is because when I type and search for something, for example Matrix, it will take some while because it relies on quite many calls to the TMDB database. So for example, if I show you it here now, it takes some time, as you can see. And if I search for the same thing again, it will go quicker. Yeah. Okay, so if you go back to the front page now, the login system, I have used two different. One is Django's authentication framework, and another one is which is provided by a Django app called Django Social Auth, which I uses to add a Facebook login. So for example, if I use the Facebook login here now, it will use my Facebook account and log into this website. And the user can, for example, go to a movie page here and write a review, add this movie to favorite, or add this movie to a watch list. These buttons will highlight if the user has clicked on it before. So for example, these two I have clicked before. And if I click it again, it will like remove it from the watch list and remove the highlight from the button here. The same thing goes with this button. And if I want to add them to the list again, I just press them. So, and if I want to write a review, I just simply click here and then write my review. And I can set a score, and if I want to put this as draft or not, then I just click on submit review. It will show up here. Here I also use a polling, which is the same thing as in the front page where I use polling for the comments. The review will appear here if all the users has written a new review, for example. And here I have used another jQuery plugin for giving this movie a score. And the data here is all from the TMDB, even this image here. And all the trailers here is also from the TMDB's database. And further down here I have the commenting, which I have used Django's paginator to separate the comments into several pages, which I then use jQuery and uses the Ajax call to fetch the other pages, so I don't need to do a new page refresh for it. So for example, I click here, it will like fetch the next page. And if I make a comment here, it uses also Ajax post to send to the server, so there's no page refresh here either. So for example, if I post this, it will like then appear here down below. And if I want to see a trailer, it will go to another view. And if I want to see a next trailer, I can click one of them here, and I use this jQuery to simply remove the element and then append the new element with the trailer in it. So no page refresh here again. And these trailers are from YouTube. Let's see. I forgot to show you also for the comments, if it's a my comment, then I can click here to remove it. So for example, if I click here, then my comment has been removed, and I can do a page refresh, and the comment is gone. And as you can see, I can only remove the comments that I have made by myself with this user account. And you can also go to a user here, for example this user, and send him a message. This box here is draggable, which I uses a plugin called jQuery UI. And if I type some message here, it will send this message to the user, and I can like log out and then go to this user. Then I can see here that this icon was blue before, and now it's red, which shows that I have received a new message. And if I go to the message page here, I can see that I have received a new message from this user. And I can click here and write my reply here. I can also like scroll down here. Then you can see that this box will follow me around. Okay, this is about it that I have to show. I hope you liked it, and I can tell you that Django is a pretty easy framework to work with. The community is big, so if you have some problem, then you can go to the community forum and then ask for the help there, or simply Google on it, because the likelihood that the problem that you have is probably solved by somebody else before, so you can just Google on it. And yeah, this is about it that I have to say. Thanks for watching.